मैं तो पाँच
So about to start the final match toss here. It is the IFAS Premier League Season 2 finale. We are ready for the contest here. Who is gonna be the winner? Is the class of the Titans? Is the Strikers versus the Super Kings? So we have the two teams here, and we're gonna have a photo shoot here, photo op.
बस से हम चेकिंग
यहाँ पे
So we'll have a photo shoot here. Is the finale.
हे लाईव्ह वगैरे जे ना अरे ते नाही मॅच व्यवस्थित होऊ दे.
सर नवीन बॉल द्या संपलाय नवीन बॉल
अभी का मैच क्लियर किया गया. देखो दिख रहा है क्या है फाइनल स्ट्राइकर्स और सुपर किंग्स है क्या पक्का ना.
So we are about to start the final clash of this IFAS Premier League Season 2. It is the IIT Jam Strikers versus CSIR Net Super Kings. ये है फाइनल का महामुकाबला स्ट्राइकर्स वर्सेस सुपर किंग्स.
अरे काय चष्मा सोडून बाकी सगळं पळायला लागलं सिद्धी तुझं. अरे
So this is the final match. Who's gonna be the winner? The top two teams clash here in the finale of this IPL Season 2. आशीष अभी स्ट्राइक पर है सुपर किंग्स के लिए. अमोल यहाँ पर स्टार्ट करेंगे स्ट्राइकर्स के लिए. First ball, he has pulled that. What a fielding that is. What a fielding in the mid-wicket area. Each team has one female player. And here, Super Kings are off the mark. Oh, is it that? Driven there. There's a fielder there. And he's gone for 4 runs. So first boundary for the Super Kings. Fantastic that. बहुत ही शानदार शॉट. लो फुल टॉस बॉल और यहाँ पर 3 फील्डर्स थे. चूक हुई वहां पर और ये चौका. बहुत ही अच्छा शॉट पर फील्डिंग अच्छी हो सकती थी. अभी 9 रन हो गए हैं. उन्होंने बहुत ही अच्छा शॉट मारा. ये फील्डर्स वहां पे थे पर नाकामयाब रहे और 9 पर 0. लो फुल टॉस, 1 bounce into the fence for 4 runs. A sublime shot that. It was in the slot. and he heaved that towards the long on area for 4 runs. So 13 runs for Super Kings. So 3 boundaries have come of the over. He's again pulled that and it's gone for a maximum there. So we'll have a new ball now here. So 19 runs have come of the over already here. It's the first over. This is the final clash of this IFAS Premier League Season 2. Last ball of the over. We have 2 over power play. A fantastic shot there for a 6. It's 19 for none, Super Kings. Let's hit that down the ground. There's a field in the mid-on area. And they take a run. So after 1 over, it's 20 for none. 20 पर 1 ओवर समाप्त. 20 पर 0, 1 ओवर समाप्त.
चलो कोई बात नहीं
सही है बहुत बढ़िया जीतेंगे
छुट्टी आज बोलो क्या है तो प्रैक्टिस के लिए आए छुट्टी आज
So after 1 over, it's 20 for none. In fact, they are showing 19 for none. In fact, oh, there's an appeal there. There's a huge appeal, but the umpire is unmoved. So it's 19 for none. In fact. 19 रन हुए अभी. वाइट का इशारा. अभी 20 पर 0. Oh, it's wide again. So it's a final clash here. And it's 21 for none. And they will try to score 80 odd runs. If they happen to score 80 odd runs, it's going to be a comfortable total for the Super Kings. So it's a wide one. He's trying to bowl towards the office stump area. We have a short leg side boundary. In fact, it's not that short, only towards the square leg it's short from the mid-wicket area. It's big. He's driven down the ground. And that's gone for 4 runs. A very sublime shot that. And so it's not 26 for none now here, Super Kings. It's wide there again. So Super Kings, they are cruising here. Ashish is batting on 18 from 5. 3 fours and a 6. In the air, just over the fielder, and is going for 4 runs. A welcome boundary there for the Super Kings. This is the final clash in the IFAS Premier League Season 2. 31 पर 0 यहाँ पर Super Kings. यहाँ पे पुल करने की कोशिश, नाकामयाब रहे बल्लेबाज. It's 31 for none. It's the last over of the power play. Oh, he's hit that! A humongous shot there! And it's gone for a maximum. A very spectacular shot that. 37 runs already here. Thirty-seven for none. Is it that right there? It's a dot ball to finish the power play over. After two, it is 37 for none. 37 पर शून्य यहाँ पर 2 ओवर समाप्त, पावर प्ले ओवर समाप्त है। यह है फाइनल का महामुकाबला IFAS प्रीमियर लीग में। आप सभी का स्वागत है। यह है कोकाट स्पोर्ट्स एकेडमी पर आप लाइव देख सकते हैं, YouTube पर भी।
कुर्सी दूं क्या? ओ, कुर्सी दूं? जोड़ती तो देखते 2 गज का? नहीं।
यह है फाइनल मैच IFAS प्रीमियर लीग सीजन 2 का। बहुत ही शानदार यहाँ पे मैच अभी तक रहा है। मैचेस यहाँ पे हुए हैं जो भी बहुत ही क्लोज कॉन्टेस्ट। 2 ओवर समाप्त, 37 पर शून्य सुपर किंग्स। यहाँ पे दिगंबर सर आ रहे हैं बॉलिंग करने के लिए। ये स्लो बॉल हवा में, गेंद फील्डर से बस महज 2 कदम दूर थी गेंद। यहाँ पे 38 रन अभी सुपर किंग्स की ओर से। प्रोजेक्टेड स्कोर 88 है। यह है फाइनल मैच। शॉर्ट बॉल यहाँ पर पुल किया उन्होंने। फील्डर्स के बीचों बीच बहुत ही अच्छी फील्डिंग हो सकती थी वहां पर चौका। और इसी के साथ पुल कर दिया। अभी फिर से 1 रन का इजाफा वहां पर। अपडेट हो रहा है। अभी 2 ओवर 40 रन है अभी यहाँ पे दिखा रहे हैं। 40 पर शून्य यहाँ पे दिखा रहा है अभी। इवन 45 पर शून्य, 45 रन इनफैक्ट। और यहाँ पे बाहरी किनारा था, 1 रन यहाँ पर। 46 रन अभी हो गए हैं सुपर किंग्स के। और नो बॉल का इशारा अंपायर द्वारा। नो बॉल का इशारा अंपायर द्वारा और फ्री हिट अभी। 47 पर शून्य यहाँ पर स्कोर। 2.3 ओवर पर अभी उनका प्रोजेक्टेड स्कोर है 92। सैतालीस पर शून्य यहाँ पर सुपर किंग्स। ये है फाइनल मैच, फाइनल का महामुकाबला कोकाट स्पोर्ट्स एकेडमी पर। और ये स्वीप करने की कोशिश नाकामयाब रहे बल्लेबाज। बहुत ही किफायती ओवर साबित होते हुए ये Slower ball. और यहाँ पे कुछ 47 पर शून्य अभी 47 for none. लो फुल टॉस, वहां पे फील्डर्स तैनात, 1 रन अभी मिलेगा। इसी के साथ 3 ओवर समाप्त, 48 पर शून्य, अभी 2 ओवर बाकी। So after 3 overs, it is 48 for none. 2 overs to go. 3 ओवर समाप्त, 48 पर शून्य। ये है final match. It's the final clash here of the IFAS Premier League Season 2. It's a strong leg side field. Extra bounce, it passes that hard. 1 bounce into the fence for 4 runs. So it starts off the 4th over with a boundary and 50 runs up. 50 रन हुए यहाँ पर पूरे सुपर किंग्स के, 52 for none. Oh, it's put yet again. It's gone for a maximum. So 4 and then a 6 here. So Super Kings are dealing in boundaries and Ashish, his half century. What a batting that from Ashish here. Fantastic one from just 18 balls, 3 sixes and 7 fours. This is a man of the tournament kind of innings here. Ashish 50 runs. Oh, it's a biggie gone. It's the biggest sixes of the all. A humongous 6 that from the bat of Ashish there. 64 runs added for the Super Kings. And it's just the 4th over. So it's a jubilation here. The fans, the supporters, they are excited. After all, it's the final clash of this IFAS Premier League Season 2 here. You're watching this live from Kolkata Sports Academy on YouTube. So we'll have a new ball. It's the final one. CSIR Net Super Kings versus the IIT Jam Strikers. It is Republic Day. To honor the Constitution of India. We honor the unity in diversity. And in this tournament as well, we have that. It is 64 for none. And here is Ashish on his strike. He's playing on 56. Oh, it's a no ball. It pitched outside the 22-yard. And so it's a no ball and it'll be a free hit as well. So 65 runs there for the Super Kings, and it is Ashish on strike. It's again wide. So Nikhil is trying to be kind of cheeky there, bowling in the 5th and 6th stump. It's again wide. So it's been wide galore. Jam Strikers now, he's changed the end here. He again tries to heave it. A miscues that he could not connect that ball. He swept that. There's a fielder well placed in the mid-wicket area. and the cow corner as well. So they just a run 68 पर सोनी यहाँ पर सुपर किंग्स पुल करने की कोशिश यहाँ पर फिल्लत है ना पर ये 6 बहुत ही शानदार शॉट ये इसी के साथ 74 runs after 4 overs 74 for none and 1 over to go. This is the final clash. It is 74 74 पर सोनी यहाँ पर 4 ओवर समाप्त लास्ट ओवर अभी आशीष खेल रहे हैं 57 रन्स पर 22 गेंदों में महज 4 sixes and 7 fours. He's pulled that and is gone for a maximum there. So new ball please. So it's now 80 runs already. Will it be the first 100? Will it be the triple digit mark here score? There are 80. Oh, it's gone for a biggie. It's out of here. Take that. Back-to-back sixes there for Ashish. There are 86 runs. So with that 6, Ashish, he moves to 69 from just 24 balls. 6 sixes and 7 fours. And so you can hear the roar from the crowd. Fans are super excited. This is the IFAS Premier League Season 2 final clash. Oh, trying to flick that, to pull that ball towards the fine leg area. It's a dot ball. So can Super Kings score 100 runs here? They have 3 balls to score 14. It's a wide one, so 87 runs added there. It's 87 runs for Super Kings. Ashish is batting on 69. Low full toss. And it's gone for a 6. What a maximum that is. It was on the slot in the zone. He cleared his front foot and he smoked that towards the mid wicket for a maximum. And so Super Kings are 93 for none. 93 for none and Ashish moves to 75 from 26 balls. Can they score 100? He's hit that! Oh! He's gone for a 6! So 99 runs for Super Kings. Ashish moves to 81. Ashish is batting on 81 and Super Kings 99. So it appears it will be 100 run, first 100. Will it be? Low full toss. They try to take a run. And so in 5 overs, Super Kings are 100. It's a 100-run partnership for the Super Kings. Ashish not out 82 runs from 28 balls. 8 sixes, 7 fours. So 26 runs came off the last over. 5 ओवरों में 100 रन. ये फाइनल का मुकाबला है. So Jam Strikers will need 101 runs to win this tournament. It's gonna be a humongous. They have a Mount Everest to climb. And what an opening partnership that. 100-run opening partnership from the Super Kings. Ashish, 82 from just 28 balls, 8 sixes and 7 fours with a strike rate of 292.
आता कसं करावं आता आता आणजेपर्यंत आलीच ग्राउंडला
So what a contest this is. Is the final clash. Is the IFAS Premier League Season 2 finale. CSIR Net Super Kings, they'll be super proud from their opening batters. 100 runs in just 5 overs. Ashish scored 82 of just 28 balls. 8 sixes and 7 fours. It's gonna be a Mount Everest to climb for these strikers. But this cricket, it's a funny game. Anything is possible. Let's see what plans and with what tactics the strikers they come out to bat. The strategies, it will be aggressive one because they have no option but to go bang bang. 101 runs needed from 5 overs. That's 20 runs and over. So I'll request the opening batters to come in the pitch and to start the proceedings. And so the fielders are so Super Kings 100 runs they scored in 5 overs. Ashish, what a player. Ashish, in his 3 innings, he's scored 167 runs. So, I feel it's going to be Amol who will open the batting. Maybe Amol with Digambar sir, or maybe they'll have changing some plan and tactics there. Amol has scored 104 runs in 3 innings with a strike rate of 305 for the strikers. And Digambar sir, he scored 61 from 3 innings and with a strike rate of 203. What a contest this is turned out to be. This is IFAS Premier League Season 2 finale. So the opening batters, Digambar sir, he is ready. In fact, he's just waiting for the non-striker for his other partner. And what a final this is. 100 runs scored in just 5 overs. It was Ashish. 82 from just 28 balls. 8 humongous sixes he hit. So now they're having some consultation with the opening batters. Who's going to open the batting with Digambar sir, and maybe it's going to be Amol. So the two opening batters, they are in the middle, they advance in the middle. So it's going to be Amol and Digambar sir. They are the two batters. So net Super Kings, they scored 100 runs and now they will have to defend that total. And the two batters from the strikers, they are in the middle. It's gonna be Digambar sir, and who will face Ashish. Right in the block hole. It just missed the stumps by a whisker. And it's going for 4 runs. And it's a leg by. It was spectacularly pulled right in the money. And so 4 runs there scored. He's trying to hit that. There's a fielder in the mid-off. They try to take a single. There's a chance for a run out. But the umpire is unmoved. Always trying to shut that. There's a fielder in the mid-wicket area. So there are 6 runs now. The required rate is 21. They have to score 21 runs and over to win this final contest. This is finale. Right in the block hole. Spectacular that. IIT जैन स्ट्राइकर्स 7 पर 0. अमोल खेल रहे हैं 1 पर और दिगंबर सर 6 रन पर. आशीष बॉलिंग करते हुए. और ये उन्हें लगा ये वाइड हो सकता है, पर ये पाँव में गेंद लगी. It's 7 for none strikers. He's trying to hit that. Fantastic, the fielder. He certainly saved 4 runs. So that's end of the first over power play. 7 for none. It's a 2 over power play. Maximum of 5 fielders are. In fact, up till now, maximum of 2 fielders are allowed outside the 30-yard circle. Oh, maybe the strikers, they are facing the heat of the target that they have humongous target to chase. It is the final clash. It is the finale. It's a wide one. 8 पर शून्य यहाँ पर strikers. They are 8 for none. So strikers are 8 for none. He's trying to pull that. There's a fielder in the mid-on. And they take a single. It's a power play over. Only 2 fielders are outside the 30-yard circle. So they'll have to cash in and score some runs. So they are 9 for none. Oh, what a shot that is! A scintillating one. It's gone for a maximum. They will need more of those. They will need more of those from the bat of Amol. 15 runs for the strikers. Oh, it's defended that. Change of line there and length as well. 15 runs for the strikers. Amol is batting on 7 and Digambar is batting on 7 as well. And their required rate has jumped to 25. Short ball, he tried to pull that, but umpire signals is wide. So it's a wide one. These dot balls or these extras, the batter will try to exploit these extras as well. A slow ball, again it's wide. A change of pace, but it goes for wide again. So 84 runs needed from 20 balls. They will need boundaries galore here. 25 runs they need per over. It's wide again, so it's back-to-back extras there. The required rate is close to 25. 18 पर सोनी स्ट्राइकर्स यहाँ पर जीत उनसे दूर है। यह है फाइनल का महामुकाबला IFAS प्रीमियर लीग सीजन 2 में। ये पुल कर दिया है, फील्डर तैनात और बहुत ही अच्छा कैच है, शानदार कैच, वहां पे फील्डर ने ली है कैच और स्ट्राइकर्स यहां पे उनके मेन बल्लेबाज आउट होते हुए अमोल। शॉर्ट गेम थी, वहां पे उन्होंने मारा शॉट, वहां फील्डर तैनात थे मिड विकेट में और बहुत ही उम्दा कैच। और यहाँ पे एक विकेट खोते हुए स्ट्राइकर्स 83 रन और चाहिए जीत के लिए। So what a contest this. It's the final glass last ball of the power play over. 18 for 1.
बॅट भेटलं कोणाचं आहे तरी तीनच बॉल आहेत बरं का आता व्यवस्थित जपून.
It was whitish one. So that's end of the power play over. After 2, it's 18 for 1. 83 more runs needed from 18 balls to win this tournament for these strikers. So now Digambar sir, he's on his strike. 18 for 1. It will be a miracle if they happen to win this match. So Digambar sir on his strike. So Ruturaj will pull the third over. It's 18 for 1.
अच्छा विकास सर लास्ट में आ गए.
18 पर 1 स्ट्राइकर्स 2 ओवर समाप्त. अभी यहाँ पे तीसरा ओवर डालने जा रहे हैं यहाँ पे ऋतुराज. स्लोअर बॉल थी, लो फुल टॉस और ये चौका. बहुत ही अच्छा ये शुरुआत है. ये चाय पीने के बाद ये उनका ये शॉट. लग रहा है चाय में वो कुछ बहुत ही सुपर ड्रिंक, एनर्जी ड्रिंक थी जो अब यहाँ पे एक 4. और ये फिर से उन्होंने मारने की कोशिश. फील्डर वहां पे तैनात. 1 रन भागते हुए बहुत ही जोरों से और यहाँ पे 1 रन. It's 23 for 1. Strikers they need 78 from 16 balls. The required rate is 29 now. Low full toss, stoppage, and what a fantastic fielding that is from Kailasar there. He certainly saved 2 runs, 3 runs maybe. And it's 24 for 1. It's a full toss again. It falls in a no man's land. And it appears. And they wanted to take a run there. So 25 for 1. It appears that the match has slipped away from the hands of these strikers. But it's a funny game. Anything can happen. Oh yes, is it that? In the gap, 1 bounce. It's going for 4 runs, or is it? Oh. And then so they saved a couple of runs there. Or maybe they did not take runs. So they take a run in the last ball of the third over. 26 for 1. 75 runs needed of 2 overs now. Now they will need 6s in every ball. 6 in every ball. So now Casey sir will bowl the 4th over. And it's just a dot ball. So now it appears that what a fantastic final match this. Oh, is it that? It's going for 6! 6! Oh yes! Right there! What a shot that! A maximum. Digambar sir there with a 6. And what a tournament this has turned out to be. Super Kings and the Strikers, the top two teams battling out in the final. He tried to smack that top edge and he's going for 4 runs and he goes for 4. So after a 6, a 4 here for the Strikers.
काय झालं कोणाची कोणाला मिळत नाही बघ.
65 more to win. Top edge and then he drops it. The camaraderie between Kailash sir and Digambar sir on display. It is 36 for 1 Strikers. What a final match this has turned out to be. बहुत ही अच्छी गेंद यहाँ पर कैलाश सर द्वारा. ये है फाइनल का महामुकाबला आईएफएस प्रीमियर लीग में. ये ड्राइव करने की कोशिश और इसी के साथ चौथा ओवर समाप्त होते हुए 36 पर 1. अब लास्ट ओवर. बहुत ही अच्छी बॉलिंग थी वहां पर कैलाश सर द्वारा. महज 10 रन आए उस ओवर में. So this tournament. So now we have Dada Sahib sir who will bowl the last over. Let's flick that, they take a run. It's a final clash, a final contest between the top two teams, the Strikers and Super Kings. And it appears Super Kings are cruising for the trophy here. No full toss tee again. No ball. Chauka, in fact. By चौका होते हुए ये. और अभी
ट्रॉफीला साईडला ठेव ना त्याच्या. ऐक ना थोडं
41 पर 1 यहाँ पर Strikers. What a fantastic and scintillating contest this finale one. Whitish ball, he slashed that and it goes for, oh what a scintillating effort that. A sublime effort. He certainly saved a few runs there. It was going for 4 runs. They know they have won the match, but they don't give up. The Super Kings. We had the Chennai Super Kings as an IPL winner, and here we have Super Kings as well. In the IPL winner, in fact, it's IFAS Premier League. It's a wide ball, CSIR net Super Kings. So now we are about, this is the final one, IFAS Premier League. And it appears it's Super Kings. Every team, they were topped here, they were at the top. And a brilliant effort from every player. And so, that's the end of the tournament, and Super Kings, they are the winner of this IFAS Premier League Season 2. What a victory that! They win by 58 runs. And what a batting that from Ashish, 82 runs from 28 balls. And what a win, a comprehensive win that from these Super Kings. They scored 100 from 5 overs and IIT Jammu Strikers 42. They lost a wicket. And so now we'll have presentation ceremony as well. So wait for that. And so here we have a lap. It's a victory celebration. Ashish 82 from 28 balls. We will have presentation party in a while. Stay in touch. Stay tuned.
अजून या असं या आणि बरोबर ह्या साईडला तोंड करा. आगे जी बोलून घ्या थोडं इथून येईल का बघा ताणून घ्या थोडंसं बॅनर बॅनर ताणा
ए चला जी ए चल ना फोटो काढायचे मामा 2 मिनिटं चला हो ते उद्या ते भाजी फोटो काढायचे ओ सोमेश्वर वाडीवाले हो भरत सर 1 मिनिट या वेट गो सोमेश्वर वाडीवाले सोमेश्वर सर आलो का छोटा ट्रेन होता घरचा आता
So we'll have presentation party.
बाहेर ठेवले का बोर्डावर
We have fielders. We have trophies lined up here. What a fantastic final class that! CSIR Net Super Kings, they emerged as the winner of this tournament. Ashish Desmukh, 82 on just 28 balls, 8 sixes and 7 fours. So what a contest we've had here. IFAS Premier League Season 2 finale. It was CSIR Net Super Kings who won the match by 58 runs. And in the presentation party, we have our guests here. And then we'll initiate now soon. And so now the man of the match from the final match. It goes to Ashish. He scored 82 from just 28 balls. 8 sixes and 7 fours. So I will
कुठे देणार आपण मग ट्रॉफी नाही नाही हे सगळं
So I will request Dada sir.
हे फक्त व्यवस्थित करून घ्या ते या बाजूला थोडासा घ्या ना थोडासा मी सांग बरोबर आहे फोटोग्राफरचं पण हे व्हिडिओ कॅमेरामध्ये खूप वाईट आहे तर थोडंसं असं घ्या म्हणजे फोटोग्राफर व्यवस्थित काढता येईल आणि हां ती बाजू आहे ती फक्त या बाजूला घ्यायची पलीकडची बाजू फक्त या बाजूला बस 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 हां फोटोग्राफरला विचारा व्यवस्थित आता फोटो काढता येईल का फोटो काढता येईल ना चला आता हे सगळं उचला आणि तिथे घेऊन टाका नाही मॅम मॅम थांबा थांबा मोठ्या ट्रॉफी हातात घ्या सगळ्या ट्रॉफी हातात घ्या हा हे परफेक्ट आहे परफेक्ट आता घ्या आणि आता द्या सिद्धू हो बघा
So we are about to start this presentation party. I will request Dada sir to hand over the man of the match trophy to Ashish. Ashish scored 82 runs from just 28 balls, 8 sixes and 7 fours, 292 runs, with a strike of 292 in fact. What a phenomenal batting that was from Ashish. And Dada sir hands over the trophy to Ashish. And now we have up next Best Fielder Award. DJ sir will hand over the Best Fielder Award. And it goes to Amol. Amol, the best fielder. DJ sir will hand over the trophy to Amol. What a fantastic feeling it was from him. The catches he took and the runs he saved. Thank you. So now we have wicket hat-trick. Lalji sir will hand over the trophy for this wicket hat-trick. And it goes to Ruturaj. It was a sublime bowling effort from him. Ruturaj, a pick of the bowler. And now it is time for the highest runs scorer, best batsman. Rajiv sir will hand over the trophy. And there are no prizes to guess. It is Ashish Deshmukh, 198 runs. He is the best batsman of this IFAS Premier League Season 2. What a fantastic and scintillating batting that was. He was a beast. And now we have trophy for highest wicket taker, best bowler. Sonali ma'am will hand over the trophy. And best bowler is Pritam, 5 wickets. Pritam is the best bowler. He took 5 wickets. So Sonali ma'am will hand over the trophy. What a fantastic it was. Now it's time for man of the series. And Puneet sir will hand over the trophy of the man of the series. And no prizes to guess. It's again Ashish Deshmukh.
नेक्स्ट अभी जो जा रही ना ट्रॉफी और 5000 कैश.
अभी अभी क्या ये क्या इनको क्या
हाँ हाँ.
So it's a trophy and 5,000 cash for Ashish. He is the man of the series and Puneet sir hands over the trophy to Ashish. 5,000 cash and trophy. And now KC sir will hand over the medals to the runner team.
अंपायर के लिए डालेंगे ना तो 2 अंपायर बोलना और तीसरा नाम ग्राउंड्समैन का लेना. ग्राउंड्समैन प्रमोद. ओके 2 अंपायर 2 बार अंपायर बोलना. मैं भेजता हूँ. तीसरा कौन है हैंडओवर. मैं बोलता हूँ मैं तुम्हारे साथ में.
So now the award we have for the umpires. Okay, Digambar sir will hand over a trophy for umpire as well, a token of love and appreciation. And for the groundsman as well, Pramod. For the umpires, trophy for the umpires, 2 umpires, they have done phenomenal job throughout the tournament in fact. And to the groundsman as well, Pramod. They have done spectacular job. They have to they walk behind and
कमेंटेटर अवार्ड आपका नाम लेंगे. यस सर, आप जाओ आगे. सुनील सर ने जहाँ सुनील जहाँ.
Yes. So now we would like to introduce Sunil Jha sir for the best commentator of the day. किसको बुलाना है? कौन सा बाबू सर?
तो कौन है कौन है.
Lily ma'am will do the honors.
so now it's time for the medals to the runner team players and KC sir will do this. He will hand over the medals to the runner team players. So
ठीक है. ये नाम पकड़ लो रनर अप के.
नहीं रहू दे नको. ते गेले आपल्या.
So KC sir is handing over the medals to the players from the strikers. They were phenomenal. Omkar there. It's Amit. Amol. He batted fantastically. He was the pick of the batter for the strikers.
No by, sir. No by.
No by, sir, and the medal from Casey, sir.
लड़की एक ही है, लड़की एक ही होगी. दिवांगना
Divangana there. Divangana.
सौरभ सर.
Saurabh, sir.
मोहित सर.
Mohit, sir. What a fantastic it was from the top two teams here.
प्रणय.
And Pranay there. This is IFAS Premier League Season 2 finale. Spectacular contest. There were 6 teams.
अंकुश.
Ankush there.
पुनीत सर.
And Puneet, sir.
विनर्स की मेरे पास नहीं है लेकिन आई विल टेल यू.
So now we'll have Puneet sir will hand over the medals to the winner team players. Puneet sir will hand over the medals to the winner team players.
मैम नाम कुछ लोगों का नाम है लेकिन देखते हैं. केसी सर का ही नाम लेना.
Casey sir,
आशीष.
Ashish,
दादा सर.
Dada sir.
पहले आते ही देखते हैं कौन आता है फिर उस हिसाब से जाएंगे.
Ashish,
अरे ऋतुराज.
Ruturaj,
कौन यार नाम लेके जाओ ना. आशीष.
Ashish there. What a fantastic, a spectacular batter.
समर्थ.
Samarth now. Puneet sir hands over the medal.
राजीव सर.
Rajiv sir.
स्पीच ओ टीम ट्रॉफी वो चुके इसके बाद दे देते हैं.
आदेश.
Adesh.
संजय.
Sanjay.
विशाल.
Rishabh.
विशाल.
Vishal.
अमित सर.
Amit sir. Mahesh,
लालजी सर,
Lalji sir. Rajesh, Rajeshwari, Abhay, Amir, Shubham, so now it is time to hand over the runner-up trophy, and KC sir will hand over the trophy.
इसके बाद या भी
Digambar.
एक मिनट रुको
So, DJ sir, the strikers, they are the runner-up. Digambar.
अभी मतलब क्लोजिंग स्पीच अभी
इसके पहले क्या कहते हैं केसी सर से ही
So now KC sir will hand over a few medals. I request KC sir to hand over a few medals to Digambar, Shovik,
शोभिक हैं?
शोभिक आई ना
and Shovik. So after this, I will request KC sir to speak a few words as a closing speech. KC sir, I will request him to speak a few words.
So good evening everyone and thank you such a sports सबने बहुत बढ़िया मस्ती से खेला, बहुत मजा आया। जब मैं इतना तो मैं सोच सकता हूँ कि आप लोगों ने कितना एंजॉय किया होगा। और मैंने मेरी टीम से ज्यादा दूसरी टीम जब जीती है उससे ज्यादा एंजॉय किया। और जैसा सोचा था कि सब क्या टीम है वैसा हुआ भी। पर मैं ये भी चाहता था कि जो सेकंड बढ़िया टीम है वो फाइनल में पहुंचे, बिल्कुल। और जो सबसे पहली बार हो जाए ताकि के साथ हमें खेलना पड़े, और ऐसा ही हुआ। कुल मिलाकर सब बहुत बढ़िया प्लेयर थे, सब बहुत अच्छे प्लेयर, सबने बहुत आकर खेला, सबने किया, दैट इज। और यही हमें हमारे ऑर्गेनाइजेशन IFS में चाहिए, क्योंकि हम इसी तरीके से टीम में मिलकर एक साथ काम करेंगे तो ही अपनी IFS प्रोग्रेस करेगी। चाहे दादा सर की टीम जीते, चाहे दिगंबर सर की टीम जीते, या किसी भी टीम को जीते, ओके, तो मिलकर इसी तरीके से और काम करते हैं और पक्का करते हैं। तो थैंक यू एवरीवन।
So now we'll have a captain speech from the winning team.
Hello.
तो माइक याच्यासमोर बघा. वो छोटंवाला माइक. साऊंडची सामने.
Line in.
ठीक है, तो बॉयज प्लेड वेल। तो जय श्री राम। तो सभी टीम अच्छी खेली है, ठीक है, हम जैसा चाहते थे में गए थे और फाइनल में जीते भी हैं। लास्ट बार रनर अप थे और इस बार जो भी है फाइनल जीते हैं। तो बस यही उम्मीद करते हैं कि जीत का सिलसिला अगले साल भी कंटिन्यू रहे। थैंक यू।
So now DJ sir will speak a few words.
Hello. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. It was one-sided match, also one-sided support. But बहुत शानदार लगा, बहुत बढ़िया लगा। डेफिनेटली सोचने वाली बात है, सपोर्ट क्यों नहीं मिला अपन लोगों को, अपन बैठ के करेंगे, ठीक है, गलती से सीखेंगे। बट लेकिन जितने आपके जीत के चर्चे नहीं, उतने हमारे हार के चर्चे हैं, ठीक है। और हार कर भी हम बहुत खुश है, बहुत मतलब बहुत खुश है, ठीक है। और वो दिख रहा है जीत के। बट डेफिनेटली बहुत अच्छा लगा। आशीष बहुत बढ़िया, वेल प्लेड, सिंगल हैंडेडली मैच जो है वो आपने जीता, बहुत अच्छा लगा। रुद्राज बहुत बढ़िया खेला, बहुत अच्छा सब लोगों ने खेला है। केसर की स्ट्रैटेजी बहुत अच्छी थी, ठीक है। और हमने प्रेशर में भी करने की कोशिश थोड़ा मतलब की थी, तो ठीक है, अगली बार हम और बढ़िया प्रिपेयर करके आएंगे और अच्छा करेंगे। इट वॉज जस्ट अ बैड गेम, आई कैन से दैट। जैसे हमारी ब्लू जर्सी है, वी ब्लीड ब्लू, तो हम जैसे वर्ल्ड कप में 10 मैच जीत के बहुत शानदार खेले थे और आखिरी मैच में हम हारे थे। और जैसे रोहित शर्मा हमेशा कहता है, स्माइल स्माइल एवरीबॉडी स्माइल, ठीक है। हार और जीत चलती रहेगी, ठीक है, लेकिन हमें स्माइल करना है। बहुत बढ़िया है, हम खुश है, हम हारने के बाद भी पार्टी करेंगे, कोई दिक्कत नहीं, ठीक है। चीयर्स टू ऑल, थैंक यू एवरीवन, थैंक यू सो मच।
So now it's time for the winner team trophy. And Puneet sir will hand over the trophy to CSIR Net Super Kings. They are the champions of IFAS Premier League Season 2. What a team effort. What a team effort that. And it's CSIR Net Super Kings, the champions of this IFAS Premier League Season 2. A huge round of applause to them. Puneet sir hands over the trophy. A spectacular contest this. The top two teams were in the final, Strikers and Super Kings, but it was Super Kings who emerged the winner. And they have been absolutely scintillating one. Their batting, bowling and fielding all round performance. So that's all from here. We'll see you next year.
झालं बंद करू
एक मिनिट